Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to record a screen in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. There is no built-in screen recorder in Samsung A15 phone, so you have to use a third-party apps to record a screen. Now just go to Google Play Store and then search for screen recorder, then select it, then tap on install and give it a moment to install it. And the installation process is done. Now just open the app, then close the ad. Now if you want to enable a floating icon, then just select it, then give permission from here and then go back, then tap on allow, then tap on allow again to get notification, and the setup is complete. Now if you go back, and here you can see a floating icon. You can start or stop a recording from here. Now if you want to start recording your screen, just tap here, then tap on this red icon, then tap on allow, then tap on start now, and it's start. Now the screen is recording now. If you want to stop it, just tap here, then tap on this red icon again, and it's saved. Now just close it. Now if you want to find your recording, just go to gallery, and here it is. Also, if you cannot find it here, then go to screen recording app, and you can also find it from here. And that is how you can record screen in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.